Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Infinix Hot 11. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on this hardware and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it on both smartphones. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Infinix and send on Nokia smartphone. Then you need to click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one. Just send and click on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Infinix, choosing while using the app or only this time, and simply pointing our device's camera at the QR code. But we can also just input this key here and choose receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!